Hello.
Hello. How are
Hi.
you? How are you
I,
doing?
yeah, I have been better.
Okay, nice, nice. You have been better, you said.
Yeah,
Oh, what's wrong? No,
I
you have.
have been better.
Okay, all right. So what is your name? Brijesh.
Yeah,
Okay, hello, Brijesh. Um, so tell me, how long have you been using Cambly for?
I have been using Cambly just for a month.
For 1 month or 4 months?
1 month.
Oh, 1 month. Okay, awesome. And how has your experience been like?
Yeah, it was fabulous because
Mm.
I think my English is getting better day by day.
Oh, that's nice. Yes. And
Yeah,
and do you enjoy like speaking to different native English speakers from like different countries and all of that?
yeah, absolutely. Because
Mm-hmm.
I am getting every accent. Sometimes I talk with the South African, sometimes with the UK person, sometimes with the US person.
Yes. Like the accents, there's many accents.
Yeah,
Yes, yes. Yes. So I'm from South Africa. Um but I now live in Thailand. So yeah, and I know you will see a lot of South Africans on this platform.
yeah. I saw.
Yes, nice. And so tell me, are you from India, right?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Have you ever like traveled outside of India? Have you ever traveled anywhere?
I didn't travel, but I will see in future.
Yeah, yeah, that's nice. That's fine. Like for me, I haven't traveled a lot either. Um, I I I lived in South Africa and I lived in different provinces in South Africa, and then my first place that I went to after South Africa was Thailand, and I came to Bangkok, which is like the capital city in Thailand, and then I was fortunate enough to go to like three holidays while I lived here. So I've seen a little bit of things here in Thailand. So that's nice. And tell me, so do you have any goals for why you want to improve your English? Like, what is your reason for wanting to improve your English?
Yeah, because I am fond of speaking English. That's why.
Say again.
I am fond of speaking English because I like speaking. It was like passion. So I am very passionate about speaking English. And yeah,
Mm-mm.
in
Yes.
future I can be a teacher as well. So that's why.
Exactly. Yes, exactly. That's true. I mean, yes, like obviously English is like the world language, the language that is used to communicate internationally. So, but yes, like many different people have different like reasons. Like some people want to travel, some people they want it for work. Like for example, you said you can get better opportunities if you like practice your English and all of that. Yes.
Yeah,
Um, so tell me, have you ever done any of the Cambly courses before?
Cambly courses. Yeah,
Yes.
I don't particular courses, but I talked with many native speakers.
Yes, yes. Okay. So for me personally, I like I like teaching pronunciation.
Yeah,
Yes. So would you be interested to do like a pronunciation lesson?
yeah. Sure.
Okay, okay. So let me I'm gonna open a pronunciation slide. Okay. So what we have over here is it's called tongue twisters. Okay. And tongue twisters is basically a whole bunch of sentences that might not mean anything, but the words in the sentences sound very similar. and they
Yeah.
might be a little bit tricky to pronounce them correctly. So I can help you like pronounce them correctly, and it will help you better with your pronunciation. You can become clearer at speaking English, and also pronunciation is all about the muscles in your mouth. So like every language uses certain muscles in your mouth, and it might be different to English, right? So it's important to like practice the muscles so that you can develop that pronunciation to speak better and clearer in English. Okay.
Yeah.
So this tongue twister is called Peter Piper. Okay. I'm going to read a section first, and then you can read it after me. Okay. And then once you've read it, I can correct you with some words that you were struggling with. Okay. So the first sentence is Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Okay,
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
yes, very nice. Okay, and this one, can you say pickled?
Pickled.
Yes, pickled. Okay. The next one,
A peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper pickled. Picked.
yes, yes, good. And this one, can you say piper?
Piper.
Yes, okay, very nice. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers,
Yes, nice. Okay. Where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Ah, good job. Very nice. Okay.
Thank you.
And now let's do we're gonna do seashells. Okay. So it's more with the S sound. Okay, seashells. She sells seashells by the seashore. The shells she sells are surely seashells.
Seashells, seashells by the seashore. The shells seashells are surely seashells.
Okay, yes. Okay, can you try again? She sells sea
Seashells,
yes, seashells.
seashells
Yes, by the seashore.
by the seashore.
Yeah, seashore.
Seashore,
Yes, yes. The shells,
seashells,
the shells.
the shells,
Yes, shells.
shells,
Uh, can you say sh? Yes.
shells.
Yeah, yes, shells. The shells, okay? She
Yeah,
sells.
seashells,
Yes. Are surely seashells.
surely seashells.
Yes. Okay, very good. Very nice. And let's do uh woodchuck. Okay. Okay, woodchuck. Okay, let me read it first and then you can read it after me. Okay.
Okay.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck, he would, as much as he could, and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Okay, you try.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Ah, good.
He would chuck he would as much as he could and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Ah,
Chuck wood.
yes, yes, good. Okay. Can you read this one again? Okay, let me read this one again.
And
From this. Okay, let me
okay.
let me go first. Okay. And chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
And chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Ah, very nice. Good job. Okay. Okay. The next one we have fuzzy wuzzy. So we have lots of the Z sounds. Okay. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? Okay, you go.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was not fuzzy, was he?
Ah, good job. Yeah, that one seems like an easy one. Okay.
Yeah.
Um, now we have Betty Botter. Okay. It's a lot of the T sounds. Okay. Betty Botter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of better butter will make my batter better. So 'twas better Betty Botter bought a bit of better butter. Okay, you go.
Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If I put in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of better butter will make my batter better. So twas better Betty butter, but a bit of butter.
Yes, very good. Okay. Can you practice this one again? Okay.
But she said the butter's bitter.
Okay, very nice. And can you practice this one again?
Yeah, so twas better Betty butter bought a bit of better butter.
Ah, very good. Very nice. Okay. Let's do. Okay, we did all of those ones. Okay, so that's fine. We leave that for today. Okay. Yes. So tell me, what do you do? I just want to exit this slide. So what do you do for a living? Like, what's your job?
And no, I don't do any job right now. I have completed my post graduation with English, so that's why I am
Yeah.
learning English thoroughly. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So you're not working at the moment. You're just gonna focus on improving your English and all of that.
Yeah, because I want to do job related English. It's my
Yes,
passion. Yeah.
that's awesome. Okay, great. And tell me, do you have any hobbies? Like, what do you like to do for fun, or something that you enjoy, even if it's not like not really fun, but something you enjoy doing?
Yeah. Whenever I get time, I talk with my friends and go to park
Mm.
where I feel little bit peaceful environment.
Yes. Yes.
So I really enjoy that, and sometimes I do workout too
Yeah, that's
for
nice.
being energetic, and it feels refreshing to me whenever I do workout. And
Yes.
sometimes I use mobile.
Yes, that's nice. Say again the last one. You did you say something about a bike?
No, I said about mobile. I
Oh, mobile.
see Instagram and see
Yeah,
some
yeah,
reels.
yeah, yeah. Do you enjoy watching YouTube?
Yeah, I really enjoy because
Me too.
where I learning English.
Yes, yes. So yeah, so for me, I also like nature. Okay. So I like to go to parks and everything like that. Especially because I live in Bangkok. So over here it's like it's so many buildings. I don't know about where you are. Like is there a lot of buildings? Are you in like a city?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so for me it's like buildings, and they're very tall buildings everywhere, and there's not a lot of nature. So for me, like I also need to go to parks, and but they make the parks here very like beautiful. Like there's very beautiful parks, and it's nice to like get out of just the hustle and bustle of every day, and also like relax and feel peaceful. And then like every day I have to go for a walk, like to de-stress, so I listen to music, I de stress, and all of that. So, what do you like?